Welcome to Reuse, Good Practices and Case Studies. In the next minutes, we'll tour 5 real projects, from Sweden to China, that show functional and material reuse in action. The good practices include all types of buildings, both new and old, from various countries. They refer to both functional and material reuse. The presentation will feature 5 case studies of buildings, illustrating different approaches to the issue of reuse. Bromma Hospital in Stockholm is an example of a modern approach to building revitalization, using BIM technology and 3D scanning for the reuse of construction materials. Thanks to the recapture technology, which integrates 3D scanning with BIM, it was possible to accurately identify structural elements and materials suitable for reuse at an early stage of the project. This technology enabled the preservation and reuse of existing materials such as bricks, doors, sinks, and toilets, the use of old wooden doors to create suspended ceilings, the renovation of 600 metal lockers, which were repurposed as new staff-changing room lockers. The University of Graz Library underwent a comprehensive modernization. The revitalization project of the historic building focused on integrating the original architecture with modern solutions, creating a space that meets the needs of contemporary users. As part of the project, annexes from the 1970s were removed, revealing the original facade from 1895. A 2-story glass extension was added to the roof, serving as a modern reading and conference space. The Ningbo Historic Museum, completed in 2008, is an excellent example of using reclaimed materials to construct a new, modern building. The museum's facades are made of over 6 million old bricks and tiles salvaged from demolished buildings in the surrounding area. A traditional local construction technique called wapan was used, which involves building walls from a mix of reclaimed bricks, tiles, and other materials bound together with lime mortar. The reconstruction of Notre Dame Cathedral after the 2019 fire is one of the most technologically advanced undertakings in the field of cultural heritage conservation. BIM technologies and 3D scanning played a key role in this process, enabling precise planning, documentation, and the reuse of original structural elements. Even before the fire, the cathedral had been thoroughly laser scanned. BIM and 3D scanning were crucial in identifying and reusing original components. Thanks to the digital model, it was possible to accurately locate and assess the condition of specific parts, such as stone arches and wooden elements. The revitalization of a disused 1904 power plant and its transformation into a commercial and cultural center is an excellent example of implementing the principles of sustainable development using BIM technology. The concept of reuse was extensively applied in this project. The historical value of the site served as a rich source of architectural inspiration. Traditional brick firing methods were used, and objects recovered from the original power plant buildings were repurposed to create unique interior and exterior decorations. Several historical elements, such as the annex, the roof structure, and cranes, were also preserved and adapted.